Good day, people. This time, we're not gonna shoot. We're not gonna talk about guns. We're gonna talk about cleaning the gun. I asked the people downstairs sa firing range, give me the dirtiest gun that they have. So sabi nila, ito raw hindi pa nalilinisan for about 1 week. So talagang sangkatutak ang nag-rent nito. Actually, nagkaroon pa tayo ng event. Ito, isa sa mga rental guns na ginamit nila and talaga nga namang gamit na gamit. I did the research kasi kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami nating choices for cleaning solutions. So, we have the friction guard. Normally, lubricant yan. Carbon remover. This is a cleaner as well. Shield. Rust prevention. So, kailangan natin yan. And the extreme CLP. This is also for prevention pero on extreme basis. And we have the eliminator. The eliminator is the one that is recommended to be used on this gun for cleaning. Now, we will talk about Bore Tech. Bore Tech comes from the US. Ang maganda rito is it's not hazardous to your skin. It's not hazardous to your gun as well. Ako dati, sa totoo lang nung naglilinis ako ng baril dati, I always use WD-40. Binababad ko pa yan. Pagkababad, minsan iniiwan ko ng ng mga isang oras, 2 oras, pag nalimutan ko, nanood pa ako ng pelikula, nag-inom pa ako ng konti. Yung pala, ang nangyayari, yung chemical na nandun is actually eating the metal. Hindi natin makikita microscopic kasi, pero eventually, if you keep doing it, makikita nyo unti-unting nadadamage yung metal natin. So, mapapansin nyo, naglilinis naman kayo ng baril. Yung iba nga, hindi masyadong pinuputok, pero linis sila ng linis ng baril, pero nagkakaroon ng kalog yung baril nila. Sino sa inyo ang gumawa na nun? Ang kagandahan sa Bore Tech, they don't do that. They're not corrosive to the metal. They're supposed to take care of the metal that you have for your gun. It'll just take off all the dirt, all the carbon buildup, all the lead buildup, all the moly that's being built up with your gun. We will try it out. Let's see kung maganda siyang gamitin for cleaning and how easy it is to use Bore Tech on our CZP09. Let's check the unit first before cleaning it. Pero nakikita ko talaga sobrang dumi nga naman niya. Mamaya babaklisin natin, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siyang kadumi. Check muna natin yung unit. Open chamber. Sa muzzle, sa polymer part, kitang-kita nyo evident na evident kung gaano siyang kadumi. Ito, halatang hindi binabrush, halatang hindi nililinis. May build-up na kung saan lumalabas yung firing pin natin. Yan ang mga dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon tayo ng jams. Kasi it's not closing properly, hindi nalalak yung chamber natin properly. So, it's a possible cause for malfunction sa barrel. And we don't want that. Mamaya, we will do a barrel shot para makita nyo sa loob. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take down the unit. There's a P09, so meron lang tayong notch na pagtatapatin. So, press to. Okay? Yun na. Ayan baka sabihin nyo kasi nagloloko ko. Ayan, talaga sobrang dumi niya. Hopefully, using the eliminator, this will clean everything up. Ayan, alam natin na may carbon buildup talaga siya. Ayan kung makikita nyo, para may thin layer of carbon na naipon na dyan. Tapos, ito pinaka-importante, yung barrel. Paano pa magiging accurate ang shot mo kung ganito ang barrel mo? And dito rin sa pinaka-chamber niya mismo, ayun sa ramp pa nga lang. Sa ramp by itself, talagang wow. Sobrang dumi. Yan ang pinaka-rifling ng barrel mo. Dapat kahit papaano, pagkatapos natin maglinis niyan, tanggal lahat yan. Tingnan naman natin yung slide. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, may isla na yata doon or namumuo na karumihan dyan.
Okay, so let's get started. Let's soak up our rag and our slide with the eliminator ashy. We're supposed to soak it up for about 10 to 15 minutes, but for this video purpose, I didn't. I just used my brush and I tried to speed things up. Actually, kung mapapansin nyo rin, I'm not using any gloves. I just wanted to see and actually check for myself kung pati ang kamay ko would be would I feel any effects of the chemical on it. But as of kita nyo naman, bare fingers, bare hands, no effects at all. So it's all natural. I don't feel anything stinging or anything like that. And ang dali na linis. Kita nyo yung slide na yan. I wiped it, brush it for a couple brush, then kita nyo yung parting dulo. There's still some leftover, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe it again with a soaked rag. Ayan, so I just wiped it. Makikita nyo after a few wipes, ayun na, it'll just come off and it's gonna come out clean. I'm gonna dry it up. Ayun. So now, kita nyo, it's clean. It came off nice. And ito na yung result ng slide natin. It's all clean. Makikita nyo that there was a big difference from the way it was before. So now, yung barrel naman ang gagalawin natin. Same process. yung eliminator, lagay mo sa rag, then put it on your, soak it up. Use a nylon brush that comes with the barrel. Then i-brush mo lang yung insides ng barrel mo. Let it go through the grooves. Ayan. Tapos pull it back and redo the whole thing again. Just a few times. Just enough to just really clean the barrel. Pagkatapos then, let's brush yung mga gunk na nakita nyo kanina sa ramp tsaka doon sa dulo ng barrel. We're gonna clean it all up. Madali lang naman yon. You just, as I said, soak it up, brush it, do the same process again, just like what I'm doing on the video. You'll see that the barrel's gonna come out real nice, and you'll be able to see or compare how it was before to what it is now. Big difference. Big difference.
Now, ito na yung barrel, linis na siya. Ang laking pagkakaiba compare sa kanina, di ba? Kitang-kita nyo na yung rifling niya, yung grooves, everything else. Yung kanina was just dirt. Other side of the barrel, ayun. Oh, wow, sarap. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag may OCD ka, dali ka rito, oh. Nakakatawang panoodin.
So next is we're gonna do the frame of the pistol. Itong PO9 natin na ito, I'm gonna use this brush. And the eliminator, again, I soaked it up. Nilagyan ko siya ng eliminator directly. Dapat bababad ko, pero syempre ako makulit ako, hindi ko binabad. Ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko ng konti, tapos binrush ko na lang, mabilisan, para for the viewing pleasure. So ayan, kita niyo, binabrush ko na siya. And makikita niyo, I'm just really trying to reach up all in there. And makikita niyo agad, ayun. Makikita niyo, there's a big difference dun sa before and after natin. Nakita niyo, yung palang tunay na kulay niyan, naku, kita niyo naman pati yung spring naglabasan na kanina it was just black. Ito, kita niyo may parte pa rin na there's gunk in it. So what I'm gonna do, soak it up again. Ayun, kita niyo laki yung pagkakaiba kagad. Or madumi pa kasi hindi ko nilinisan, pero linisan natin. So now with our eliminator soap brush tsaka wipes, ayun, madaling natanggal kagad yung gunk na nakadikit mismo doon sa dulo ng frame. Ayan, kita niya sa gilid, ganun din. Tinanggal ko na rin. The same thing with my wipes na may eliminator. Bore Tech Eliminator. Kitang-kita nyo kagad, natanggal agad siya. And now we're almost done. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay assembly ng unit, putting the barrel in the slide along with the spring. And now, kasa-kasa. Ayun. Nalinis na natin yung baril natin. As I said, disclaimer hindi ko nilinis all the way through. Hindi ko binaklas siya all the way through. Pero I just wanted to show you the power of the eliminator and the power of our Bore Tech products. Isa pa, yung magazine. Nalimutan natin linisan. Kita nyo yung ating magazine. Our magazine is also full of carbon, full of buildup, full of everything else. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it up just to make sure na makita nyo how clean your magazine should be after using an eliminator. So I'll use this. Tanggal. Oh wow, tingnan mo naman yung carbon buildup na yun. So I will just put an eliminator on my rag, kagaya kanina. Then I will soak that plastic part. Kiss-kiss ko ng konti, may natatanggal na. So just keep on wiping on those hard to reach places. And talagang tiyagain mo lang. Very good. Put it back. Actually, there's a lot more of cleaning sa magazines na kailangan gawin, pero I just wanted to show you the most evident way of seeing how clean your follower can be using our Bore Tech Eliminator. It's all cleaned up. We just have to put it on the gun and then we're good to go. Close up our unit. We have a Bore Tech giveaway. I want to share Bore Tech with you. Just wait for our comment. Dun sa comment nyo, you will have a free Bore Tech shirt. And I'm sporting my Bore Tech shirt. Kung mapapansin nyo. This is a brand of champions. Okay na? Oo. Ang dami ko pa sinasabi.